Hello everyone, here I am Professor Sheetal Gunde from the Department of Agronomy, KK College of Agriculture, Nashik. Welcome to the today's session of course Agro 247, that is Farming System and Sustainable Agriculture. In today's session, we will discuss about farming systems, definition, scope, concept and objective of farming systems. First, while introducing the topic, we should take into consideration that is what is farming. Farming is a process of harnessing solar energy in the form of economic plant and animal products. Farming system is an integration of farm enterprises such as cropping system, animal husbandry, piggery, fishery, poultry, beekeeping, forestry, etc. for optimal utilization of available resources and bringing prosperity to the farmers. This is a very simple meaning or definition of farming system. In another way, farming system is defined or given as a farming system is a resource management strategy to achieve economic and sustained production to meet diverse requirements of farm household, while the system is preserving resource base and maintaining a high level environmental quality. In another way, farming system is a decision making tool and land use unit comprising the farm household, cropping and livestock systems, that is produce crops and animal products for consumption and sale. Then we should learn about what is the concept of farming system. First, to earn profit from different enterprises along with farming. Then to preserve land productivity by using the methods like crop rotation, mulching, etc. To preserve environmental quality and to maintain desirable level of biological diversity and ecological stability. Then next, what is the objectives of farming system? First one, to identify existing farming system in specific area and assess their relative viability. Next one is to formulate farming system model involving main and allied enterprises for different farming situations according to climatic situation or topography of that area. Third one, to ensure optimal utilization, conservation of available resources and effective recycling of farm residues within system. Fourth one, to maintain sustainable production without damaging resource and environmental quality. Fifth one, to raise overall profitability of farm household by complementary main allied enterprises with each other. Then, integration of farming enterprises depends on following factor. First one, soil and climatic features of the selected area. In soil, like topography of soil, then texture of soil. In climatic features like whether this area is a hot humid area or a rainy area, etc. Then availability of the resource, land, labor and capital. Then present level of utilization of resources, economics of proposed integrated farming system and managerial skill of farmer. Then what is the scope of farming system? Farming enterprises include crop, livestock, poultry, fish, sericulture, etc. Farming system is a combination of one or more enterprises with cropping, when carefully close planned and executed, gives greater dividends than a single enterprise, especially for small and marginal farmers. In suppose in one thing we get loss or we not earn proper income, then in another enterprises we should earn income. Second one is farm as a unit is to have considered and planned for effective integration of the enterprises to be combined with crop production activity. This is the concept, scope, objectives of farming systems. In lectures we will discuss briefly. Then thank you for today.